I know you're tired of your perfume not lasting, and I'm here to help you with that. I'm Brittany. I love to help women level up or elevate their level up in a blissful way. And this level up, we are talking about perfume. If you've been hearing stories about women saying their people chase after them for their perfume, or seeing the screenshots of the kind things people say after they've spent time with them about how good they smell, keep watching. I'm going to teach you how you can do that too. So the first step into getting your perfume to last is the skin prep. It starts in the shower. This magical tip elevated the game for me. I was like, do I really need that? You do. Number one, you need antibacterial soap. I think I use Dial. Dial? Yes, I use Dial. It's orange. It gets all of the excess dirt off, which if there's too much dirt on your skin, it will block the scents anyway. So you want to get a nice squeaky clean with some antibacterial soap. 2, you're going to exfoliate. Now, me personally, I prefer a salt scrub because I'm a little bit sensitive to sugar sometimes. So, but you want to exfoliate really well because you want your skin supple and moisturized to be able to take in that perfume. And it's also helpful too to make sure your exfoliator, and this doesn't have to be it either, doesn't have to, but it can help if your exfoliator complements your perfume scent. Now, this is the game changer. Get your pen ready. The game changer is perfumed body oils complementary to your perfume. I'm gonna say it again. Perfumed oils that are complementary to your perfume. Why? Well, most perfumes are made of alcohol, meaning they evaporate quickly. So when you use a body oil with complementary scents, I have been getting compliments left and right. My daughter's always like, "Mommy, you smell so good." Since I've been upping my level and my elevating my scent. So I was like, I have to come share with the girls. Because if I knew this last year, I would have been about the oils. But I didn't know. But now we know. So you're going to get that body oil. It's best applied right after the shower if you can. When you're a little damp, it locks in that oil. Some of my favorites are Brown Sugar Babes. Don't be selling them out. No, I'm just kidding. But Brown Sugar Babes is one of them. Orina, I'm on the fence with them. They're okay. But Brown Sugar Babe takes the cake. For me, I'm actually in my testing phase of fragrances, so you will see tried and true reviews from me that I've paid for, that nobody's gifted. And if it is sponsored, I will tell you, but I'm also going to give you the real, because that's what we do over here. So now that we're squeaky clean, exfoliated, perfumed body oil slathered on, we're going to get to our perfume. You're going to apply your perfume to your pulse or your warm points, so that your wrist, your elbows, right here, décolletage, I think, right here, by the neck, anywhere where it's warm. I kind of like right here at the solar plexus area, upper belly. And I even put a little bit on my hips just to, spice it up. You can also put some on your ankles and on the back of your knee. Just a little secret. But yeah, so those are the ways that you're going to make your perfume last longer and just create this elevated scent. And I think this is why I am so excited to share this. Like, one of my passions is just making things simpler and easy. And when I tell you, this changed the game for me, and I just love making things easier for people. Like, I love to know that if I learn something and I can save someone time and money, I'm coming to share. So this is for you. Quick plug. I have a book, The Perfume Playground. discover your signature scent. I also have my signature scent journey journal and workbook that it's companion. Now, if you already have your signature scent and you already are on your journey, I think my signature scent journey journal would be great for you, because you can start tracking your scents, what you like. And then if you're a complete newbie, I completely suggest getting the bundle so that you have the knowledge to start, and then you have the tracker to keep blossoming in that. So here's to our scent elevating queen. Please, comment below what was your number one takeaway and what is your favorite perfume. See you in the next one.